Yeah, right. Seriously, have you heard this? Listen. It like does that all the time. It's like if you have banshee. Seriously. It's embarrassing to nature. Yeah, it's gonna do it again, I think. It's that, seriously. I'm gonna shoot you in there with it, right? I'm being serious. That is the actual water heater. It's like creepy as hell, man. The first time I did it, I swear to God, it's horrible. You can have banshee. Does it like all the time, like 3 or 4 times. Whenever you even go to the toilet or like flush it or run any water in the bathroom, basically, it just like screeches it about 500 times. It's creepy, man. Creepy as fucking crap, dude.